What is up, folks? We are out at the lake today. It is beautiful out here. Hopefully we're going to catch some bass. I'm going to focus on the drop shot today, nearer to offshore structure. So we're going to see if we can catch them. There we go, folks. First one. Not too big. Very cool colorations on this guy. Nice. There we go, folks. Number 2. Stop. Number 2 here. Not a big one, but at least, dang. But at least I caught one. He hooked himself, I think. Adios. There we go, folks. Number 3. It is nice to come out here and get some nice bass. This guy is chubby. He has been eating. Little 1-pounder. He is thick. I need to find one that's a few inches longer than this one. It's gonna be heavy. Let's see how long he is. Yeah, he's a 13-incher, but he is probably a good 1.5 to 2 pounds. Ooh. Okay, I did not mean to belly flop him like that. Okay, so I just caught that 3rd one, so I'm gonna tell you guys what I'm doing. So I'm targeting these fish on the ledges out here. Deeper ledges with the drop shot, and I'm just dragging it kind of around grass lines and stuff, just very slowly, and I've been slaying them out there like that. I've caught 3 so far, and it's been about an hour. No big ones yet, but I think pretty soon we may hook one that's a little bigger. There we go, folks, number 4. Choked it. Ugh.
What happened to it?
He's just bleeding a little bit because he got hooked by the gills. He's all good though. I'm gonna throw him back now.
Is he gonna die?
No, he'll be okay. There we go, folks, number 5. There we go. Probably 2nd biggest one of the day. Oh, we're talking. It's been a minute since I caught one. It's been a minute. There we go, folks. Biggest one of the day. Number 6, literally next cast after that last one. Oh, come over here. There we go. That's a decent one. There we go, folks. Biggest one of the day. Smells like bass. Adios. There we go, folks. Number 7. Smallest one of the day. Let's try to catch one a little bigger. I like shiny things, but I'd marry you with a paper ring. Whoa.
I know. Frick.
What?
How the hell do we get to Nate's house?
Go get a pre-made salad.
Sends me out. I don't know how to get in. Like, I know how to get into places in this town. She's like, okay, start around. You can figure out the way. I'm like, okay. I'm like, how do I get here? She just starts on, you go left and right and on 6th Street. And I'm like, well, I don't even know how to start. But okay.
I caught another one, number 8.
Damn. Are you on the lake?
Yeah? What?
That's a lot for being on the lake.
8 bass. So
Mama, you is such a loser.
8 bass. Say hi to YouTube, Presley.
Hi, YouTube. This is Presley. I wish I was there.
Hi. Wait, say that again. Wait, 1 second.
Hi,
One second.
YouTube. I wish I was there.
Keep talking.
This is Presley, by the way.
Ah!
You have any other girlfriends? They probably talk to you on the phone.
I have no other girls that I talk to on the phone.
I'm just kidding.
I dropped him in the boat. Bye, Mr. Bass. Bye. Oh, this guy has a broken jaw.
Here, answer this question.
Yep.
Who do you think deserves to be more together? Like if you could only pick one Gossip Girl couple, would it be Serena and Dan or Chuck and Blair? Mine is Chuck and Blair. So answer down in the comments below.
Chuck and Blair, that's my answer, folks.
Andrew, that's what my answer is.
Well, yeah, I know.